Welcome back to Quantum Magazine's coverage of the Particle Awards. I'm senior reporter Louis Sisniegas coming at you live from the red carpet. The stars are positively dazzling tonight with sequins, glitter, and couture galore. Some of the biggest names in particle physics are here, and the crowd is absolutely loving it. You can't help but notice clusters of people moving together, swarming the most popular celebrities in the world. It's almost like the red carpet has its own rules that guide who can walk through and who gets held back, stuck in the crowd. To understand why, we're going to hand it over to our in-house analyst, Louis, to break down what's really happening on the red carpet here tonight. Over to you, Louis.
Thanks, Louis. What we're seeing here is more than just celebrity fame. It actually mirrors the hidden workings of our universe. According to quantum field theory, particles like the photon or the electron are not just super tiny marbles whizzing about the universe, but instead ripples on invisible fields that stretch through the universe. One such field, the Higgs field, is the reason that matter has any substance at all. When a particle interacts with the Higgs field, it acquires mass. The stronger the interaction, the more massive the particle. Some particles, like the W and Z bosons, interact very strongly and are slowed down, sort of like a VIP struggling through a red carpet crawling with paparazzi. Others, like photons, don't interact with the Higgs field, gliding freely through without any mass at all. The Higgs field was proposed back in 1964 by 3 scientists, but unfortunately they had no way to prove that the hypothetical field actually existed. 48 years later, however, that all changed. At CERN, researchers found an excitation on the Higgs field, the Higgs boson. Their discovery validated the entire mechanism behind how certain particles gain mass. Without this invisible A-list celebrity, fundamental particles would be massless, and the universe as we know it today, atoms, stars, planets, and even life itself simply could not exist. Louis, back to you.
This has been Louis Sisniegas with Quantum Magazine. Thank you.